Today's journey begins in the clear water that once powered mills and served as a source of drinking water. Can you guess where we are today? We are located in the Raša Bay, in the beautiful nature of Cove Blaz. Centuries ago, the inhabitants of all of the surrounding towns were coming here precisely for the mills, of which there were once as many as 5, and today only the remains of buildings and stone walls remind us of that. We continue our journey along the paved road that leads to the town Rebići, only 2.5 kilometers away, where I will show you an interesting property. Built in 2019 on a plot of land of 835 square meters, this house has approximately 170 square meters of living space. According to the project, the ground floor will be divided into a living room with a kitchen and dining room, a toilet, an entrance hall, a covered terrace, a storage room, and a garage of 25 square meters. On the first floor, there will be 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a terrace of about 30 square meters with a view of the sea. Those who don't want to go down to the Cove Blaz in the summer heat can refresh themselves in their own swimming pool and enjoy the view of Raša Bay. The house has a valid building permit and is being sold as unfinished. For all of you who are wondering how long it will take and how this house will look like when it will be finished, we visited a very similar house in Smoljanci, which was built by the same investor. From the contractor, we have found out that it only takes a few months to furnish and finish the house in such a way. Are you selling a house in Istria? Feel free to contact us by phone or email. You can find our contact on our website at the link below. Thank you for your attention and see you soon on a new journey.